there was a sign at the bottom of this steep climb that said, "Beware of the bull." So I was afraid of snakes, but now I don't know what to be afraid of, the snakes or the bull. This is the first climb of the year. Well, not of the year, but for the season, and you can hear I am out of breath. It's been about a kilometer straight up, so yeah. It's a beautiful sun and quiet. All you can hear is me breathing. I'm going up to a mountaintop next to our house, and there's a view down to the house. I will take you up and I'll film it so you can see. No bulls yet. Let's see. This was strange. And there's 1, 2, and 3 as far as I can see. Let's go under it. This is the second one. And as you can see, another one. I'm not sure why there are 6, 7, or 8 trees chopped down across the path. It's been, I don't know, 4 kilometers up, and many times I have found these trees across. I have to go around. The path is down there, and I had to go around. And I'll see how I can do this without. So the question is there a bull from a farmer that is up in these woods, or is it just, I don't know. I'm at the top in about 4 or 5 minutes, and I think I will take a different route down. There is another path going on the other side of the mountain. I think I'll take that one just to be sure and safe, because I am really not very happy about this. So this is one of the 2 mountain tops. There is, if you can, behind all those trees, the other one is, but I wanted to go here today because here you can see our house. I will try to sit down and get a view of it. I will try to zoom in. I'm sorry it's not steady, but if you can see, there's a house, a brown house down there. That's where we live. In the middle of a lot of trees. Yeah, so now I'm halfway. I don't want to go back the same way I came up because of all the trees and the bull sign. But I'm halfway because the other way down is the same length as the one I came up. And I guess Sten is halfway now, maybe going back.
Ja, så I dag det en rolig lang tur, cirka 110 kilometer. Ta turen til Åmli, og så snur jeg. Så nå har jeg akkurat kjørt halvveis, med ganske bra motvind. Så nå går turen hjemover igjen, og så får jeg nok mest sannsynlig medvind.
It was a nice trip up. I am trying to get back into shape after an injury. Many years ago I had to slow down, totally slow down, do nothing for years because my body collapsed just by moving. So now I'm on a path to get back to where I was and what I love, hiking like this. I should have brought a coffee with me, but yeah. I do have some water. So yeah, let's go back. I think I'll put the camera in the bag because now it's getting steep downhill, and it is not slippery because it's dirt, but still it is kind of slippery. So So down there is the other side of the mountain, the path I chose instead of the one I came up, and here's the view. I know it doesn't show on the camera, but it is quite steep down. Here's going up where I came down, and here's going down. So of course it's more exhausting going up you know, you get out of breath, but going down is kind of hard on the knees, and yeah. So silent. I'm amazed I haven't met anyone, because this is quite a popular mountain to climb. And it's Sunday, so everyone's off. Well, almost everyone is off work, and it is summer holiday still here in Norway, so yeah, I'll enjoy the quiet loneliness in going down this mountain.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it